here is what is going to eventually be the new brooder room. There's going to be like 98 brooders in here. And you can, oh, wait, that fell down. Huh. But anyways, you can see what my husband's doing. He's putting, this will have to be re-tacked up. But each brooder will be like that. And then there's going to be room under here for a tray. So I don't have to have any of the dirty. I can just clean. And then he's going to put all of my doors right here so that I can get to all the chicks. And it goes all the way up. But so I can get to all the chicks. We're kind of figuring this stuff out as we go along. It's hard. There's information out there, but not so much when you're wanting to do large, big brooders. Each of these little marks that he's got right here, each of these will be a brooder. I think the last time I talked to him, it was going to be 96 or 98 total brooders. You can see going out. He's got part of my lights in. He's going to add more. We still have to insulate the roof. I think he put electricity in. You can see the cord from the brooder, the old brooder room. But I cannot wait until we get this, because this we started to stop the piling problem that I was having. And I'm still kind of having that, but we've learned you have to split them apart. And so you can see the brooders, he's got them started. There's gonna, I think even on the top, that's gonna be, no, I think that's gonna be shelving space on the very top. But each of these will be a separate brooder. So, I'm hoping, you can see right there, this one's done. I mean, not done, we still have to put wire. And I'll keep you guys updated as we get things put together. So, that is the new brooder room. Guys, this is Chris with Chickens for Chicks. And if you like what you saw, subscribe, come back, like the video. There'll be more. Lots of education, lots of babies.